Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I will be working with these short stiletto tips, full coverage, and I'm using iMetal Beauty uh, gel polish in color white, and this is 102, very pigmented. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use the white as my background because today I'm going to be doing ink nails and I'm going to be working with ink nails, and it's highly recommended that you put white as the background when you work with ink. That way you will have a very bright color peeking through if you have the white as a background. The only bad thing with having a white is that you gotta make sure that your ink covers all the white, because if not, people will be able to see the white. Like at the end of this tutorial, you will be able to see some of the white. Not a big deal, just putting it out there. So what I'm doing here is I'm painting my nails in white, and as you guys can see, I start with a brush because that way I make sure that it's a beautiful application in the cuticle area, also on the sides. And with this gel polish, I only need to do one try because they are very pigmented. Remember, you can get iMetal Beauty on Amazon or also on iMetalBeauty.com. So once I'm finished with the one coat, I cure the white for 60 seconds, and now I start working with the ink. So I decided to use ink colors that are relative to the ocean water. So I have blue, green, light blue, dark green, and pretty much I just putting them everywhere. They also come with a blending solution so you can make the ink color space out better, which I think that was one of my mistakes, that I didn't use a lot of the blending solution in. Or see, here I apply it, and that's why the colors are like this, like moving around. And this is what I want like that line, that black line at the end of the tip, very beautiful. So that's what I will be doing, and this is so fun to do. This is very easy to do. You don't need to do the whole nail. You can do half of the nail in ink if you want. If you don't want the ink color to run around, what you can do is place tape, like nail art tape, that will prevent the color to go around, or you can place some type of gel color on the side so that way the ink will not go all over the place. Another thing is that I have to tell you guys, when working with inks like this, make sure that you watch your cuticle area, because you guys will see that on my thumbnail it did went to the cuticle area. So it's not a big deal because you still can clean that with acetone, with anything else you still can clean that with alcohol. But it's just, a reminder to be careful because it can go runny through your cuticle areas or to your finger. It could be messy. They just say it that way, okay? So I'm gonna continue working with the ink colors, guys. And I have to say, I really like the ink. I'm thinking about doing another tutorial with the ink. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section. So I'm gonna continue working with the ink. Now I'm going to apply a base coat from iMetal Beauty. This base coat is going to help me to adhere the foil that I'm going to put, and also to seal that ink. I have to do this once the ink is dry. You have to wait for the ink to be fully dry in order to work on top of it. Usually it dries really fast. I would say probably like 4 minutes, 3 minutes, and it will dry, and then you can work on it. So here I'm just placing a base coat. I will put in the lamp cure for 60 seconds, and I will clean the sticky surface, and then I will add glitter. I mean, not glitter, this is foil. I will add pieces of foil, not too much because this is just the ocean water, what is I'm going for. So just a little bit of foils here and there, and I'm using this gold foil that it came on my Nailboxy box subscription. And once I'm happy with how it looks, I'm gonna go into the stickers. So for stickers, I have these beautiful fishes and a bunch of sea creatures and sea star. So I'm just gonna randomly place them on the nail, not in a very specific order, just grabbing whatever will pop out of the blue so it can look better with the blue background. And I'm just placing them randomly on the nail, and that's what I will be doing. And this is how they look so far. You can see the messy ink in my fingers, but that's fine. I'm going to use a top coat I Made of Beauty to finish this look. And I say it's fine because we can clean that with a little bit of alcohol or maybe acetone, whatever you have, make work to clean the messy ink from your fingers. And I'm going to go ahead and apply this beautiful top coat, and this will seal the whole design, and I will cure in lamp for about 60 seconds, and I will be done with my nails. So I hope you guys like this tutorial with ink. I'm planning to do another ink tutorial very soon, maybe on long nails. Let me know what you guys think. Make sure to subscribe to my Instagram. I'm putting new short videos on YouTube, probably sneak peeks of videos coming up. You guys have seen that in this past week. And also, I want to say thank you so much to my new subscribers. Thank you for the support. I'm happy to have new subscribers as well. Thank you so much for watching. If you are new, you're not subscribed yet, make sure you subscribe and like this video. And I will see you guys on my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.